Hello everyone and welcome to the next session of Core Java. In this session, we will discuss about interface implementation. Basics of interface we have already discussed about. Now we will see how to create an interface and how to use it in our applications. Hello everyone and welcome to the next session of Core Java. In this session, we will start the discussion about enums. So let's get introduced to enums. We have already discussed about an interface. Interface allows us to specify the standards. This is what we have discussed so far. What I can have in an interface is, first thing what I can have is the functions, the standards which needs to be followed by further classes so that they can implement those functions as per their requirement. Also, we can declare certain variables which will work as constants in your application. So if I want to specify set of constants, how can I do that? So using interface, what I will do is I will create an interface, say for example seasons. Why I need to create a set of constants? Because as per my application, this is the valid set of values. User cannot make use of any other what we can say value for any of this element, right? So here I'm creating an interface named as seasons, and there I will specify the constants. Now actually what I want to represent over here is a season. What type of variable I'm declaring over here? It is a string representing name of the season. Now, next thing, whenever I want to create any class which is going to make use of this particular interface, that class needs to implement that particular interface. Now, when a class implements an interface, when there is a relationship. Now, any random class which I am creating, so say for example, a country is a class and I want to specify the season specifications for a country. So that class needs to implement this seasons interface so that it can avail the constants, use the constants which are available in this particular interface. Now, logically speaking, country class implementing seasons interface, is it a correct relationship? Is country a season? No. Country has seasons, right? We will specify seasons for a country, but country is not a season. But when we have interfaces, we need to follow this particular scenario. So what is the solution for this? The solution for this is an enum. Enum are used when we know all possible values at compile time, such as one thing is menu, another rounding modes, command line flags, or seasons, or say mode of payments, right? And these are the constants which are valid for your application. How we are going to create an enum? First of all, enum is going to specify set of valid values. It can be created inside a class or it can be created outside a class. Enum is a keyword. We are going to give name to that particular enum. Now, what values you can see in this particular enum are red, green, blue. Now, what do they represent? First thing, I have not used any string variable to represent a color. I have created an enum of type color which is going to represent a color, right? So, I'm not using any other data type to represent some different value. So, I have created enum color which is going to represent one color. In this way, whenever I have a set of values, valid set of values for my application, I can create enum. In next session, we will see how to make use of enum in our application. Thank you.